Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube and want to take a look at this current listing or any of our other current listings on our website with over 50 pictures and a detailed description of exactly what is on this vehicle, please go to sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. This particular unit right here in front of us is a new arrival at the dealership. It's a 2016 Dodge Ram 3500 heavy duty dually. It's got the Cummins. It's got it all. If you're looking for the big truck, you know you got to look at the Dodge, especially the Laramie. What a good looking truck. On the front of this Dodge Laramie, what you're going to see here, you're going to see the chrome front bumper and the chrome front grille. Also at the bottom, you're going to notice that it does have front collision monitoring system. So if you do get close to a vehicle in front of you while parking, it will definitely notify you and beep at you and tell you that, hey, you're getting awful close. As you can see, this is a white truck with a silver two-tone bottom. Great look, kind of breaks it up a little bit. Very classy, really good looking truck. It's also got a factory step-up running board right there in the front. And as you can see, the two front tires are definitely brand new. As far as to the back of this vehicle, as you can see, it is a dually, and it does come with a tonneau cover over the rear of the bed right there, which is a great feature. For the inside of the bed, you're going to notice it's got what we call the puck system. So it can be, you can adapt it to two different types of things. You can use the center circle in there just for your gooseneck, or you can use the four outside pucks for a fifth wheel attachment. You can buy them straight through Mopar, through our dealership, or any other Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram dealership for your fifth wheel. It also does have rear backup monitoring system, also with your trailer tow, 4-pin and 7-pin hookup right there. Another nice feature that this truck has is an amp research step-up bar. Some of these big trucks are kind of hard to get into, especially when they sit so high in the air. And with this one being that way, they put through that step on there. What a great touch to the rear of this truck. Another cool feature that this vehicle does have, that it is an option, and not very many of them are going to have it, is there's a light up there in between towards the roof right there. Well, in the center of that, there's also a camera. So when backing up and hooking up your gooseneck or your fifth wheel, you have full vision of where you're at with that process, how close you need to be to hit that hole the first time. And like I said, this particular truck is a Laramie edition, so it's going to be pretty much fully loaded. As far as the inside of this vehicle, you're going to see it does have a tan leather interior, power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors. Once you get into the cockpit of this very large 3500 Dodge Ram, you're going to notice that it does have an instrument cluster in the center of the dash, in between your RPMs on the left and your mile per hour gauge on the right. What that will operate, it operates everything basically on your vehicle. It'll tell you how fast you're going. It'll also give you some other options as you're going through here. It'll also show you what radio station you may be on, trailer brake, how your trailer brake's set up as far as your tension on that, your distance between miles per empty, how many miles per gallon. There's a magnitude of different options that can go through there on that particular setup with this truck. On the right hand side, you're going to see your cruise control settings, and then on the back of the steering wheel on the right hand side, you can operate your volume for your radio, and on the left hand side, you can also operate your stations and a couple other features. This particular unit is a four-wheel drive unit. It's all turnkey. Right now we're setting two-wheel drive. There is a four-wheel drive lock and a four-wheel drive low, so 3 different settings on that, and also a neutral if need be. Like I said, this is a full touchscreen radio with AM, FM, XM radio, so it's got everything you can need as far as the radio goes. It's got a bunch of different apps built in. This particular one is so you can pull these apps down to the bottom here, which is going to be your home screen. This one's got, you know, travel links down there, so you can check for fuel, you can check the weather, you can check current sports, movie listings in the area where you're driving through. There's a bunch of different options for this radio when traveling. This particular truck also does have the heated 2 front seats, ventilated the 2 front seats are also ventilated, and then a heated steering wheel. And like I mentioned outside, it does have the backup camera for down below or up top, which is another great feature. And below that, you're going to notice it does have dual climate controls. So it can be set on 65 on the passenger side and 72 on the driver's side, or they can be synced together and put on auto. So there's a couple of different ways you can operate your AC or heat. Built-in factory trailer tow brake. 5 auxiliary ports down here below. This one also does have the exhaust brake on it. Tow haul mode. Front rear park sensors, you can turn them off as long as also with the rear, or you can leave them on. AC plug. Plenty of storage in this truck with your cup holder storage right here, cell phone holders right here, glove compartment which has 2 settings in it, a deep one and a shallow one. Power sunroof, rear sliding glass that also is defrost back there too, so if it does get fogged up, it does have a defroster built into it. And then the universal garage door openers on this one, so you can program up to 3 garage door openers into this specific truck. Also, this specific truck does have WeatherTech floor liners throughout. They do match the carpet very well, and as you can see, the rear seats look to be in very good condition. No rips, tears, or stains in it. Also does have a center cup holder console with armrest. Also with this truck, it does have rear heated seats, which is another great feature. Also, you have your vents there on each side for your AC and heat. Also in the center, you'll notice a 12-volt DC charger. So as you can see, this truck is extremely well equipped. Very hard vehicle to find, especially with only 35,000 miles on this specific truck. It's a 2016 Dodge Ram 3500 dually 4-wheel drive with all the bells and whistles on it, navigation, touchscreen radio, fully chromed out. It's all ready for you. 2 brand new front tires, and this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube and want to look at any more pictures of this specific unit or anything else in our inventory, please visit sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Or you're more than welcome to contact us by phone at 937-778-0830. And like always, for the best deal, make sure you always contact Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.